Gaining wealth in times of crisis, past and future. 2024 crash incoming. Welcome to High Excess. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of wealth building during times of crisis. And we've got none other than the renowned author of Rich Dad Poor Dad and successful entrepreneur, Robert Kiyosaki, in focus. First up, we'll unravel Kiyosaki's perspective on the 2008 financial crisis, how he navigated the storm and came out on top. Then, we'll explore his success story during the longest bull market in history, shedding light on the strategies that helped him thrive in seemingly challenging times. Kiyosaki is sounding the alarm for a potential economic downturn in 2024. We'll break down his views on what might be coming on our way and, more importantly, the game plan he's suggesting to not just survive, but potentially thrive during this upcoming challenge. As we wrap things up, we'll draw conclusions from Kiyosaki's unique and contrarian perspective on the current economic landscape. It's a call to arms about blindly. As we wrap things up, we'll be drawing conclusions from Kiyosaki's unique and contrarian perspective on the current economic landscape. It's a call to arms against blindly following mainstream advice, advocating instead for strategic thinking, investment approaches, and a proactive mindset when facing the financial market's complexities. In a world filled with uncertainties, Kiyosaki's insights provide more than just food for thought. They encourage a nuanced approach to wealth building strategies. So buckle up, folks, as we explore the wisdom of Robert Kiyosaki in gaining wealth in times of crisis, past and future. 2024 crash incoming on High Excess. Navigating the turbulent waters. Ever wondered how the maestro Robert Kiyosaki danced through the storm of 2008 financial crisis? Picture this: strategic moves during the mortgage-backed securities (MBS) and collateralized debt obligation (CDO) crashes. Kiyosaki didn't just weather the storm, he surfed the waves of opportunity, emphasizing the vital importance of grabbing chances when the market hits rock bottom. Fast forward to 2011, the echoes of the market crash still reverberating. What does Kiyosaki do? He backs up the truck with a cool $300 million investment in real estate. Why? Because he understands the hidden gem principle, capitalizing on undervalued assets in the tumultuous sea of economic uncertainty. Now let's zoom out a bit. The longest bull market in history, an 11-year spectacle starting in 2011. Kiyosaki, though acknowledging the historic nature, isn't joining the fanfare. He's the voice of caution in the midst of optimism, reminding us not to blindly trust the market's siren call of eternal ascent. Expressing skepticism about the present economic scenario, he unveils a sentiment that has echoed through the age. It's a phrase that often precedes market crashes. And Kiyosaki is there to shine a light on it. So what's the lesson in this financial roller coaster? Kiyosaki's journey teaches us to dance with uncertainty, to spot opportunities in the chaos, and to approach market optimism with a raised eyebrow. It's not just about surviving, it's about thriving in the face of economic storms. As we navigate the unpredictable waters of financial markets, let Kiyosaki be our guide. Seize opportunities, value undervalued assets, and maintain a healthy skepticism. In the grand symphony of finance, where the market can be both maestro and mischief maker, Kiyosaki is a playbook in our sheet music, helping us play our tune amidst the turbulence. Because in the financial world, the dance floor is always open, and Kiyosaki's moves might just be the key to and Kiyosaki's unconventional wisdom. In the world of financial critics, Robert Kiyosaki throws punches at the Federal Reserve's policies, questioning their efficacy in tackling fundamental issues. According to Kiyosaki, printing money is no magic wand for challenges like oil, gas, and food production. He challenges the conventional wisdom that monetary policy alone can resolve deeply rooted economic concerns. Kiyosaki, unfiltered as always, takes aim at figures like Janet Yellen, Biden, and Powell, labeling them that's the three stooges in his world. Blind allegiance to their guidance is a dangerous game. He's not shy about dismissing their advice, adding a touch of humor to his critique and sparking a conversation about the reliability of mainstream financial voices. Now let's talk strategy. Kiyosaki, the maverick, doesn't play by Wall Street's rulebook. In a surprising revelation, he admits to owning no stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or ETFs. Why? Because he's on a mission to break free from the shackles of conventional investment wisdom. His call to arms: explore alternative investment approaches beyond the well-trodden path advocated by Wall Street. But wait, there's a deeper lesson here. Kiyosaki is like the financial rebel with a cause, warning against the dangers of outdated financial advice. The traditional narrative of go to school, get a job, pay taxes, and invest in a long-term diversified portfolio is, according to him, a relic of the past. He urges investors to break free from these chains, to think beyond the ordinary and craft a financial strategy that suits the unpredictable nature of today's markets. In the ever-evolving dance of finance, Kiyosaki is a nonconformist partner, challenging us to question, adapt, and most importantly, to find our own rhythm in the financial tango. So, join the rebellion, because when it comes to navigating the financial landscape, sometimes you need a little less stooges and a lot more Kiyosaki. Ever wondered how Robert Kiyosaki pulls off his financial magic? Well, strap in, because we're about to break down his strategic dance with debt. According to the financial maestro, debt isn't just a necessary evil, it's a tax-efficient tool. Kiyosaki spills the beans on how he used debt strategically to finance his property investments, tapping into tax breaks like depreciation and amortization. It's like using a secret code to unlock financial advantages while playing within the rules. Now let's talk diversification, Kiyosaki style. Beyond the realm of real estate, he's not putting all his eggs in one basket. Surprise! He owns oil wells. But here's the twist. He's not just talking about traditional oil stocks. He's advocating for going straight to the source, investing directly in tangible assets like oil in the ground. It's a wild move that adds a whole new dimension to diversification. Sure, Kiyosaki isn't shy about acknowledging the risks. He's not one to sugarcoat the realities of financial ventures. Yet, he's the guide urging you to step beyond the comfort of mainstream investment options. Embrace the risks. Explore the unconventional, and who knows, you might just strike gold. Or in this case, strike oil. Picture this financial journey as a dance floor. Kiyosaki's moves with debt are likely a perfectly choreographed tango. Kiyosaki's moves with debt are like a perfectly choreographed tango, tax breaks leading the way. Diversification, on the other hand, is a wild dance under the stars, where oil wells become partners in a daring waltz of financial opportunity. So, whether you're waltzing with debt, two-stepping with diversification, hey! Kiyosaki's playbook invites you to join the dance. It's not just about making money, it's about crafting a financial masterpiece that's uniquely yours. After all, in the grand ballroom of finance, why follow the crowd when you can dance to your very own rhythm? We have been warned. Kiyosaki isn't shy about calling it like he sees it. He's waving a caution flag about what he dubs the quote unquote everything bubble. It's not just your regular bubble, it's a full blown orchestra of risks spanning stocks, bonds, and even credit. Consider this your front row ticket to bubble trouble. In Kiyosaki's eyes, it's not just a market bubble. It's almost the whole economy playing on the edge of a potential cliff. He's not here to scare you, no, but he's definitely urging caution. This isn't the time to put on the blindfold and swing at the market piñata. According to Kiyosaki, the stakes are high and the potential threats to investors are real. This isn't about spreading fear, it's about preparing for the storm. Kiyosaki's words are a financial weather forecast, advising us to pack our raincoats and umbrellas. It's not about hiding under the bed, it's about being aware, ready to adapt, and maybe even finding opportunities in the midst of the financial thunderstorm. Navigate it properly and countless treasures await you. Picture Kiyosaki as the captain of a ship navigating the unpredictable waters of finance. His compass? Critical thinking. Throughout his breakdown, he's like the lighthouse guiding us through the storm of market uncertainties. He doesn't just hand out fish, he teaches us how to fish, urging investors to question, analyze, and be discerning about the advice they choose to follow. But it's not just about the external forces. Kiyosaki delves deeper into the internal realm. He's the advocate for recognizing the power of ideas in our heads, how they can be both assets and liabilities. It's like giving us a treasure map to navigate the vast landscape of our financial thoughts, helping us identify the gold mines and avoiding the quicksand. Now let's talk individual empowerment. Kiyosaki isn't a financial dictator. He's the mentor. He's the mentor encouraging us to find our financial voice. In a world filled with financial noise, he's kind of like the guidebook reminding us that we have the power to shape our financial destiny. It's not just about accumulating wealth, it's about developing the confidence and skill to navigate the ever-changing currents of the financial sea. In this financial saga, Kiyosaki is a storyteller championing the maverick mindset. He's not handing out a one-size-fits-all formula, he's sparking a revolution of thought. So, as we embark on this journey of financial empowerment and critical thinking, let's raise our sails, set our course, and navigate the waters with the wisdom of Kiyosaki as our North Star. After all, in the realm of finance, the power to shape your destiny is the greatest asset of all. And there you have it, High Access community. We've delved deep into the world of wealth building strategies, market insights, and the unconventional wisdom of Robert Kiyosaki. As we wrap up this journey, remember that the financial landscape is ever evolving, and your approach should be too. Whether you're navigating the stormy seas of market bubbles or waltzing with the idea of individual empowerment, High Access is here to keep you informed, inspired, and ready for whatever twists, turns the financial dance floor throws your way. So hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and join us on this exciting ride. Your journey to financial mastery is just beginning, and here at High Access, we're committed to being your trusted companion through every step of the way. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, stay empowered, stay curious, and may your financial endeavors be as extraordinary as the heights of the High Access.